Welcome back to Diddy TV. It did not die, but we passed out rulers to everybody. So if we need to go from negative 40 to positive 40, what do you think we should count by?
20 or 10.
We're going to start at negatives, you're right. And should we count by fives?
No.
That's going to take way too long. Should we count by tens?
Yeah, that could work, or 20.
Yeah.
Be even shorter.
Okay, so let's count by 20s. I like the way you think. All right, so let's do negative 40, and we're going to go down by 20, or really up by 20. So 20 to negative 20. Okay, what do you think should be here in this?
0.
Good job, 0. Okay, we're going to go up by 20 again, so 20. Yeah, don't hesitate, you got it. And last but not least?
40.
40. Okay. Well, so this said locate and label negative 40 below 0 and 40 degrees above 0. What does 0 represent in this situation? So 0 represents the what point? It starts with an F.
Freezing point.
The freezing point, all right?
She said fraction.
Not the fraction point, but that is an F. It's an F. Okay, the freezing or melting point, okay? So, like, this is, if it gets colder, things are going to be frozen. If it's warmer, it'll be liquid. Are you writing this down with us? Okay, cool. Okie dokie. So, Jane completes several example problems that ask her to find the opposite of a number, and for each example, the result is a positive number. Jane concludes that when she takes the opposite of any number, the result will always be positive. That sounds super confusing. You need to move right here. Thanks. All right. So, do you remember when people used to say in elementary school, it's opposite day? And what does yes mean if it's opposite day? No. All right. What does no mean if it's opposite day?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Now, what if they tell you it's opposite day? So like opuesto day.
Yes.
So yes would really mean what if we do the opposite of the opposite?
Yeah.
It still means yes. Okay. So let's do this. We're going to take 2 as an example. Okay? What's the opposite of positive 2?
Opposite to 2.
Negative 2. It's okay. All right. So the opposite of having $2 is owing to. Now what's the opposite of negative 2?
0.
2.
Oh my God.
Positive 2. Okay? I don't fault you for not knowing this because we haven't done this yet. Okay? All right. Now let's say we take negative 3. What is the opposite of negative 3?
3.
Positive 3. Look, just take the minus away. That and Miss Flint's kids have done this lesson already. Okay. All right.
I haven't even had her yet. She's my 8.
I know. Yeah, just take the minus away. All right. Now, what's the opposite of positive 3?
3.
No, negative.
Negative 3. Okay. So this is asking us if you take the opposite of a number, the opuesto of a number, would it be the same number?
Yes.
Yes. So let's put that. If you take the opposite of, I know, right? If you take the opposite of the opposite, in fact,